Hi everyone, this is Aness, and in this video I'm going to help you answer the most important question in your life: what stocks to buy now? So first, about me, I manage a multi-billion-dollar portfolio alone for banks. I traded pretty much everything: stocks, bonds, swaps, stock lending, ETFs, options, and more. I have a math PhD and 3 masters in financial engineering and mathematics. I worked 7 years in New York, 6 years in London. I lived in San Francisco. I grew up in Paris, so pardon my French accent, and so on. And so I worked for Goldman Sachs, for Bank of America, and I love swimming, gaming, learning, trading, and hacking systems. So about you, if you love learning, making money, and team spirit, this is for you. The only thing I ask you is be respectful and support the community, because it's a system that works. All right, so I want only guys like that in my team. Let's go on. First, Warren Buffett said something very famous, very nice quote. He said, "Today people who hold cash feel comfortable. They shouldn't. They've opted for a terrible long-term asset, one that pays nothing and is certain to depreciate in value." All right, so this is why we're doing this. We're doing it. We want to know what stocks to buy now and how to profit from trading and investing. When you're a beginner, you're a healer. All you do is hold cash and heal yourself, all right? So when you have a team of healers, nothing happens. Your enemies, they inflict damage, they grow, and you keep healing yourself, you get weaker over time, and it's not sustainable, all right? So when you're a healer, you need to fight back, okay? Without damage, your team cannot defeat the boss. You just keep healing yourself, nothing's happening. Meanwhile, the other team is winning points and inflicting damage, okay? So when you're a healer, you need a warrior. Okay, you need to make your money work. The warrior, he will fight back for you, and you will earn more, and you will grow your team as well. Okay, so you have a team. You need both warriors and healers, and this is what you can start with. But then you need also elementalists. You need some guys who can make massive damage. However, the elementalists, they are weak, so they are not going to last long. Okay, so you need elementalists, but your elementalists, they need support from warriors and healers. And you're going to start building a team like this. You're going to have your healers, it's your cash, your warriors, it's like large companies. You're going to have elementalists, it's like small companies with huge upside, but they are weak. And the elementalists, they can inflict mass damage, so you could times 10 on an elementalist, but you can also lose it. So you have to be careful. When you build your portfolio, you're managing your team, basically. So see your warriors, it's like large caps, like Nvidia, Apple, Meta. Your elementalist is a lot of small caps, and your healer is the cash. Now, the banks, they make your money work. They inflict damage and they grow. You, today, what you do, you heal yourself. You're like, okay, I'm chilling, I have money, I'm trying to go on, but inflation is taking it away from you over time. Your enemy grows while you get weaker. The banks, their plan is to get your money and then to profit from it. So in this famous book from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, he's saying that they basically make money from you, okay? So they inflict damage, they grow, they get stronger. See, they have a team now. And you're losing your healers. So what are you going to do next? The enemy is feeding on your wealth, okay? So this is modern slavery. It's modern slavery. Your dad, your granddad, all your ancestors, they've been going through this. And you today, you have no money, you work all your life, but what you want is freedom. What we want is freedom for everyone, okay? We need to inflict mass damage, and you need also elementalists, okay? So you need everything, not just healers. Now, the enemy is stronger than you. The enemy is stronger than me. The enemy is so strong that he has alliances, okay? So like, we don't have anything. We have just like your portfolio, etc. The final boss, there is no way any one of us beats him. Okay, so we're going to lose the game. But we have each other. And together, all together, we can win the game. Okay, and it's already starting actually. If you look at banks, their market cap is not going as fast as tech. You see crypto taking over and all kind of things. But the next chapter in our life is democratization finance, financial democratization. I don't know how you say it. The next chapter is we claim back our money, okay? So in these videos, I'm going to teach you the art of investing, how to build your effective team, this is portfolio allocation, how to choose your weapons, this is going to be asset classes and some information about investment horizon, how to choose your battles, the industries, the strategies, and how to pick the best spaceship, how to know which one is best among peers, what's the best competitor, which one you should go for, which stock to pick. And then the most important thing, but it's going to come in the end, is how to anticipate the enemy. All right. So this is going to be risk management for everyone. So thanks for watching. The goal is to turn beginners into experts, to forge alliances, and to win the game. Okay, so let's win the game together. Let's go.